Hello, today I'm going to show you how to free some storage on your Apple Watch. So this is going to work on all Apple Watches, so it really doesn't matter which Apple Watch you have, it is all going to work the same. And today in front of me is Apple Watch SE first generation, the 40mm size. So if you somehow managed to get full storage on your Apple Watch, you want to go to the settings. By pressing the digital crown, you're going to go to the main menu, but I assume that you already know that, and go to the settings. And what you want to do is go to general, then go down a little to go to the storage, and now you're going to have a display how many gigabytes you have used, of how many you have available on your Apple Watch. And as you can see, you're gonna have this little colors, which part of the of apps are using which apps and which type of files are using the storage the most. So as you can see, I have nothing on my Apple Watch actually, but if you do have, maybe you have this beta update of watchOS available, and probably this is going to get you the most storage full, or the photos, or some games, or some popular apps actually. And what you want to do is just search here for the watchOS beta and delete this update, because it takes a lot of storage. Next, what you want to do is to delete some useless photos on your Apple Watch. Maybe you have too many photos and too many useless photos. So just go to your iPhone and delete some photos from your Apple Watch. And how to delete photos, we have another video on our channel about that. And next, what you want to do, apps take a lot of storage actually. So what you want to do, you just search here, or maybe on the main screen of the apps, to search for apps that you are not using. Maybe if you have too much right here, you can just click down to have the grid option and just search for the apps that you are not using. And how to delete apps? You just need to do the same as on the iPhone. So let's go to this view, and if you want to delete some application, just hold on the application and then click X. And now you can delete the app. So next, what you want to do is to see how much of storage are the messages and mails using, because it also, you can have a lot of messages or a lot of mails. So if you have this, the green part of this bar is taking a lot of place, or this blue bar is taking a lot of place of the storage right here, it means that you have a lot of messages and a lot of mails on your Apple Watch. So just go to your messages or mails and delete those conversations, or just simple mails. Like this. You want to swipe to the left and then click on the bin. And you do the same on the mail application. And this is mainly how you can clear up your storage. If that didn't work, you can also do the hard reset, the factory reset of your Apple Watch, and what you want to do with this. So, if you don't want to lose any settings or any important files, just do backup of your Apple Watch. And how to do backup and how to do factory resets on the Apple Watch. We have another videos on our channel about that. So please be invited to see those films. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.